Everyone, so your Alice is here with another very amazing and profitable project. So guys, as I always say, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon button for further upcoming notification and amazing videos on my YouTube channel. So guys, let's dive into the Baby Boom Token. So today I want to introduce Baby Boom Token, a crypto project created to address the global issue of declining birth rates. Falling fertility rates are becoming a worldwide crisis, threatening economic growth and the future of entire societies. BBT offers real financial incentives to encourage childbirth, combining blockchain and AI to build a sustainable incentive system. So here we go with the Baby Boom. Stake your Baby Boom token. You can earn 30% annual interest. You have to open Baby Boom token, and here is the terms and conditions are applied. Revolutionizing birth support and rewards with proprietary AI technology. Baby Boom token, here you can check out, utilize proprietary AI technology to analyze birth rates by country and implement a dynamic reward system. Additionally, our AI driven personalized birth support features help create a better future for families and worldwide. So here let's have a look. Here you can check out their white paper, their roadmap, and their peers, their team, and their links. Here is the happiness through baby smile. The future of community is decentralized. It is the most reliable and wisest way to create value for everyone. In the realm of decentralized technologies, Baby Boom tokens stand out with a clear visions. Here you can check out about their you can start writing with Baby Boom. Pregnancy incentive rewards, you can get childbirth even rewards, and community for moms. So these are the features. So let's check out more. Former US President Donald Trump recently proposed a baby bonus policy, paying $5,000 per newborn to fight population decline. So here you can check out the article, the world's first crypto project realizing Trump's baby bonus. So here you can check out the AI driven crypto tackling low birth rates expands into the South Korea, also backed by the Elon Musk warnings and the Trump's policy visions. BBT leads to a new era of population focused token. So here you can check out Donald Trump lifts a baby during a campaign rally in the special event center on November 5, 2016 in Tampa, Florida. And here you can check out the details, and here is this makes BBT the first crypto project to deliver on real world baby bonus well before national government has implemented such ideas. So here you can check out 30% staking rewards drive community growth. So BBT operates a staking program that offers 30% annual return to supports its growth ecosystem. User can stake and request to unstake their tokens at any time with no minimum lockup period. However, a standard unstaking waiting periods applied. So here you can check out the exchange and listing and certified verified global security. So here you can check out listed on Gate.io, Max, and other major exchanges. It passed a smart contract audit by Certix, the global standard for blockchain security. Over 50,000 users already use BBT linked apps like Salon, Baby Boom, and Club Links. So this is here you can check out the real use, real impact, and a policy project of crypto for the future. Elon Musk has reportedly warned that population collapses is the biggest threat to the civilization. And here you can check out in response to Elon Musk's initiatives challenge to the low birth rate, and here you can check out it's the strategy. And here Baby Boom token encourages couple to participate in family growth by providing financial rewards to the couple who plan to have children. Participants can receive BBT rewards for both family planning and parenting activities. So here you can check out the Elon Musk task about the birth rates at Acrucha event in Rome on December 16, 2023. Globally, decline birth rates are becoming a major concern for many countries, and if we don't increase our population, eventually humanity will cease. This is our baby boom empowering parenthood. So you can install it from the Google Play or from the iPhone you want to install, and here is, I will provide the link in my description. So how BBT works and how baby boom tokens help out. BBT's app uses AI to analyze birth rate data in each country or regions. Users in low birth areas receives more BBT token as rewards, making this policy aligned data-driven reward system. It's not just an idea; it's already live and working. So guys, here you can check out. It's a utility token. You can earn rewards. Here is a 30% staking also. So guys, you can earn 30% staking plus global events, and it offers 30% annual staking, and there are also global airdrops and holding events running until January 31, 2025. New buyers, referrals and long-term holders all have chances to earn bonus from BBT. So here you can check out, analyze its chart from the CoinGecko terminal, and here is its value in USDT, and here you can analyze its charts, and here you can check out its market cap, its 24-hour volume, and you can analyze its chart and its circulating supply on CoinGecko terminal. BBT is more than a crypto, it's a real world policy experiment using Web3 tools with Trump and Musk aligned in message and a working product already online. BBT may be one of the most exciting use cases for crypto today. So having babies is a fundamental task humans need to exercise to keep our species in existence. So here you can check out the Elon Musk post, having babies is a right-wing plot to save humanity from extinction. So let's have a look on their community. So Baby Boom token is on Telegram. Baby Boom token community chat. Here you can check out their members. BBT is the ecosystem token powering the decentralized birth promotion app. So Baby Boom token official channel, I will provide you link in my description, and if you have any inquiry you can ask in their official Telegram group. Let's have a look on their Twitter. So Baby Boom token is on Twitter. Happiness through baby smile. So here you can check out. Here you can post, reply, tweet and retweet on their Twitter, and here you can check out their latest updation and announcement on the Twitter. So here you can check out their related post and update it and their announcement. Here you can check out, let's together increase the birth rate in your era. And here is the prepare your next generation naturally and with good control, nutrition and growth and health. So here you can have a look on their related post and updation. So Baby Boom token, here you can check out each and everything about it. I hope you have liked my video. Please comment in the comment section, and if you have any inquiry you can join their Twitter and Telegram community to have a question there. So thank you for watching the video. See you next time.